Hi guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Putra. Okay, so today we will learn how to slice an apple. Apple is my favorite fruits, but I always eat it directly. I found in the internet 3 tricks how to slice an apple. So, we will learn about it. The link for the instruction you can see in the video description. Okay, let's start with the trick number 1. Slicing around the core. The step number 1 is to place the apple upright on a cutting board. So, like this. And then the second one is to cut around the core. Okay, put it like this. We'll do like this. So at the side of the core. Okay, and the last is okay. So you see, this is the core, and the remaining is clean. Clean cut. This is the core. Clean. Okay, so let's go to the trick number 2. Trick number 2 is to slice into quarters. Okay, so first is to carve the apple into 4 equal chunks. Four equal, so this one, and then already 4 equal chunks. The second step is to remove the core. We will remove the core like this and like that. 1, 2, okay, and then the last. So the second trick, like this, it's clean, but the core, it's destroyed, unlike the trick number 1. So we will go to the last trick, which is the trick number 3. Slicing in a grid, or like tic-tac-toe in a grid. Let's try. The first instruction is to make the initial cut, but make sure it's not the core. The initial cut first. And then let's do the second cut. So this is the initial cut. And next we will do the grid. Let's do the grid. Okay, the first grid. Whoa! Okay, let's fix it again. Okay, let's fix it. Set, and set. Okay, let's continue with the last grid. Okay, did you see this? It's like grid. Let's try to check it. Set, and then set. See? The core. But why it's so big? That's all guys for the learning today. I hope you learned something from it. If you have another idea for learning with me, you can comment in this video. Thank you for watching this video. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Bye! Hi guys, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification so you will be notified about my latest video and updates. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it. See you on the next video. Learn with Putra. Bye.